How to select all clips in CapCut Mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can select all clips in CapCut Mobile. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're on your mobile application and your device, and if you're wondering if you could select all of the clips, but unfortunately CapCut Mobile does not have a select all button like in desktop editors. So you cannot select all the clips. Even if you can add multiple clips in your CapCut Mobile device, but once you get into the edit piece, if you want to select all of the clips, you cannot do that. You have to edit one clip at a time. But alternatively, there is a small workaround that I will show you here. Tap on a new project, select some clips that you want to add, tap on add. So once you have added your multiple clip, what you can do is first of all export this project where you have all of your clip added into the timeline. And once you export all of this clip, again you have to add the same exported project back in the CapCut. So here click on export. Now once the video with all of your clips exported, again tap on new project, then you have to add the same clip that you have exported. And once you're on your editing piece, you will find all of your clips right here. And if you select the video in the timeline, all of your clips will also be selected. And now you can edit all of the clips further as you wish. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.